It's a taboo topic we talk about over coffee with our girlfriends, but rarely with our doctors. It impacts our marriages, our daily activities, and our sex drive. So what are some of the triggers? Having kids, aging, and hormone deficiency. We're talking vaginal rejuvenation this morning with Dr. J.D. McCoy of Contour Medical. Great to see you.
Nice to see you.
You offer a brand new procedure, a new treatment. What is it and how does it work?
It is a radio frequency device. It's a non-surgical and single-use applicator that uses heat to restore vaginal tightness, sensation, and really has changed a lot of women's lives in my practice.
I was gonna ask you that because so many women deal with this in silence. I mean, we might talk about it with our girlfriends, but we're certainly not having that open dialogue as we should, even with our own spouses. Is there discomfort associated with this treatment?
This is a pain-free treatment. It's totally non-surgical. It's a sensation of heat, and there's no discomfort after the treatment. A patient can resume normal activity, even sexual activity, that same day.
And it's changing lives. What are these patients telling you? What are these ladies telling you?
Initially, I thought the treatment was more cosmetic, but the feedback from patients has been way beyond just cosmetic. We see tightening and improvement. We see improved sensation. Patients that have dryness or painful sex are now having a better experience. Patients with urinary incontinence are noticing dryness and an improvement there. Patients that used to have to wear pads or a diaper aren't even needing to use that.
Wow, it really covers a lot of ground for so many women. And, you know, we do suffer with this oftentimes in silence. You're one of the first doctors in the country to offer this kind of treatment and procedure. And so many women are turning to this as an alternative.
As an alternative to something surgical, and to be honest, the direction is patients want things that have no downtime, are non-invasive, have no discomfort. And the thing that's amazing is patients notice something right after the first treatment. This has been a home run. Every single patient that has received treatment notices something after the first treatment.
Yeah, well, we want to read a little bit of a note that you received from one of your patients. I want to read it now. She says, I want to take a moment to thank you for bringing Thermi into your practice. It has really changed my life. Now I feel sexy and beautiful again, thanks to you and Thermi. Her name is Penny. Is this the reaction that you're getting from women?
This is the reaction, and in fact, that patient was actually in tears as she was saying that to me as well. Oh. Every single patient has had a change that is way beyond something just cosmetic, although that's a great benefit.
Sure.
But patients that have not had very much sexual satisfaction have noticed changes in their relationship. In fact, I've had patients that have said that it actually saved their marriage because for the first time in a long time, patients are actually experiencing positive sexual excitement.
Can you pick up the device really quick one more time? So this is the device. This is for the internal and external?
Internal and external.
And this is the point I was going to ask you.
And this little tip is just delivering heat, which is gently heating the tissue in a temperature-controlled way, which is what makes it comfortable.
And it feels like what?
Feels like a hot rock massage. That's the way it's described.
And how long is one treatment?
It takes about 30 minutes to do a treatment.
And do we need to go back again to get this done again, or once?
Most patients will do a series of 3 treatments, but I've had patients that have only needed to do 1 or 2 because they're so happy.
They're so happy, and they're seeing results after 1 treatment. We like words like that. Dr. McCoy, great conversation, very candid. We appreciate you coming in. Contour Medical, they have a special offer for vaginal rejuvenation treatments. If you call today, you can get a free consultation. And if you buy the series of 3 treatments during that consultation, you'll receive $500 off. To make an appointment with Contour Medical, they're located at 3345 South Val Vista Drive, Suite 103 in Gilbert. Give them a call, 480-545-2832, or visit them online at contourmedical.com.